Hello, this is flashing wheel from DL Extreme. No defect, no brokens, but not working. No lighting, no flashing. I show you. I take a pen, insert, and spin. You can see no flashing, no lighting. High speed. It's not working. I can show you all parts on her places. 1 second. All parts on her places, but still not working. No effect.